In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use widgets in monday.com to enhance your workflow and visualize data effectively. Widgets are a fantastic way to customize and optimize your monday.com experience by displaying important insights at a glance. They can help you track progress, analyze data, and keep everyone in your team on the same page. First, you'll need to navigate to your desired board within monday.com. This is where all your project's data is housed, making it essential to have the right board selected for the widgets you wish to add. Boards are the foundation of your project management in monday.com, acting as a centralized hub for tasks, timelines, and team communications. So go ahead and open up the board that you'd like to work with. Once you're there, the next step is to click on the Chart button. The Chart section offers a range of visual data representations, and it frequently acts as a launching point for creating more detailed or specific views on your board. By selecting the Chart option, you're setting the stage for incorporating visual elements that can bring clarity and efficiency to your project goals. Moving forward, look for the button that says Add Widget and click on it. The Add Widget option allows you to browse through a variety of widgets available on monday.com. It's here that you can discover all sorts of useful functionalities designed to streamline your workflow, from data charts to countdowns and graphs, each serving a unique purpose to help you and your team get the most out of your project management experience. Once you've clicked to add a widget, you'll be presented with a selection of different widget options. This is where you need to make a choice about what specific type of widget you'd like to incorporate into your board. Monday.com offers widgets for tasks like time tracking, workload management, and even ones that integrate with other apps you're already using, like Google Calendar or Slack. Browse through these options and select the widget that best fits your current needs. And there you have it. Incorporating widgets into your monday.com board is a simple yet powerful way to ensure your project management is as effective and efficient as possible. By visualizing key metrics and creating an easily navigable interface, widgets help keep your team motivated and focused on the tasks that matter most. Remember, experiment with different widgets to find what works best for your workflow, and feel free to customize them even further to meet your team's specific needs. Thank you for tuning in today. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful and that it inspires you to start using widgets in monday.com to their fullest potential. Keep exploring and you'll definitely find ways to make your projects more streamlined and impactful.